Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington, or I do call it Hickville, USA. So welcome to my channel, everybody. So this is my January 2026 Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 21, everybody. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here with me. So this kit is called Special Delivery for January 2026's kit. If you made them as designed, you would have made 9 cards and you would have had these wonderful envelopes that have made this kit really have outdone this kit because the envelopes are proving to be so useful. So this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it is designed, a visual of everything that comes in the kit. Down here it lists those coordinating colors. Now videos 1 through 5, I always share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that we just kind of move along. This one down here would have led you to this set of 4 dies. Yes, the one that says beautiful is missing because I have it die cut for a next another video upcoming. So these dies are called the Beautiful Blooms dies. They coordinate with January, February, and March of 2026. Actually, I die cut I die cut Beautiful out of an envelope flap, and I don't remember exactly where it goes. So I'm still trying to remember where that goes. That's why it's not in its little package here. So the stamps are Sending Love, You Brighten My Day, Just For You, Airmail, the Hearts, Valentine's, Happy Valentine's, the Rose, the Postal Mark, which I love, and this one. So you know me about now. I'm going to start really using other stamps, and that is no, we're not doing anything different than I'm going to start using others. So we are using July 2019 On My Mind stamp set. We're going to be using You're the Best, Hello Friend, and You've Been on My Mind for our sentiments for today. We have a card base, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4, and a white envelope. I am using the front of the blueberry bushel envelope. I'm using those Forget-Me-Not flowers. I already have my dimensionals on the back. I'm also using this piece of ephemera on this card. This is not going to be a difficult card. I'm using a scrap piece of one of the back of the envelope, and I'm using a scrap piece of white and the 3 banner punch for this card. So let's get this cut down because this is definitely not where it should be. It needs to be 4. I really want that out of the way. It needs to be 4 1/4 by 5. And I can cut it all from one side since I'm covering up the center by 5.5. So it can be all from one. It just needs to fit the front of the card base for this card. Quick and simple, easy little alternative to do with the envelopes. If you're like me, I have lots of white envelopes so that I can do things like this. Because I love when Paper Pumpkin gives us envelopes that we can cut up and use. It really does extend these kits. All right, so we have that down. Next, I'm going to put this in the center. Cover up that postal tag. Right, and then I'm going to put my Forget-Me-Nots down. Oh, I'm thinking I really should use gold embellishments, but I already pulled out the blue ones, so I'll probably just use those. I'm trying to see if I want it in the center. Okay, I'm going to wait on that. I took all those backings off for nothing, right? All those backings just to wait and see. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to wait on this as well. We're going to go ahead and stamp on our little scrap of white cardstock our Hello Friend. And we're going to go ahead and stamp on our envelope. We might as well get all of that done. So, hello, friend. Right there. Set that aside. Our rose. Right here. And then I'm going to stamp it again over here. Really simple card. Nothing too difficult. Not sure my mind can handle anything too difficult right now. And then you've been on my mind. And then we're going to stamp "You're the Best" on our envelope here in a minute. You've been on my mind. I want to stamp the rose on top of this. I probably will have to stamp off again, because I want it to be really faint. Perfect. Okay, envelope. Where is it? "You're the Best." I wonder if I can, usually I stamp the rose, but we're going to stamp that off and off again and do "You're the Best." Yes, that's great. All right. Everything's stamped. It's that simple. Maybe if closing it would be that simple, that would be great. All right. Don't need blueberry bushel on that. Love this punch. Punch "Hello, Friend." Right? Now, take this little scrap piece. Now, this one is 3/8 of an inch. We're going to put that on there. We can probably... Now I wish I hadn't taken all those backings off. I think we're going to do it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Going to go ahead and flag it by hand to mimic what's there. So up the center, and then corner to center and corner to center. And then cut on the line. Oh, and it's a little wiggle, 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 wiggle. Because it moved. Probably because of the way I was holding it. All right. Thing just looks off. It must be an optical illusion there. Yep. So this is going to go right there. And this is going to need a dimensional or two. And a little bit of glue in a very strategic place. Let's see. Right here. And our bling, I'm starting to think I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. 1 here. 2 to balance out the card. 3. Ah, look at that. I can't believe that came out so nice. I should believe. Yes, that came out perfect. So, do we do Wink of Stella or do we do sparkly glitter glue? Wink Stella, sparkly glitter glue. Wink Stella, we're doing sparkly glitter glue. Why? Because I can. We're doing the sparkly glitter glue. I wonder if I have, this one went so quick, I'm wondering, I do have, well, I have the beautiful die cut, and I have an idea of what I originally was going to do, but I'm not sure if I can pull it off yet. I might have to go inside. Do I want to know? This is very relaxing and mentally soothing for me right now to come out and stamp. Oh, love it, love it, love it. And that's all she wrote, guys. That is clean and simple and really easy, simple alternative. That came out great. I am so happy with that. I am so pleased with that. Absolutely love it. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my Wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everyone.